Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to install and set up EndNote for your academic work. Let's get started. First, go to the RMIT EndNote webpage. Log into your RMIT account to access the download options. Now, scroll down to the EndNote desktop. Here, you'll find the download link. Click the download link and remember to close Microsoft Word before you begin. Open the installed file and follow the on-screen instructions to install. Open EndNote and select Create a new library. Then save it. Now, let's set up the RMIT Harvard Style in EndNote. First, go back to the previous page. Then scroll down to the Reference Style section and expand. There are two different files, as you can see on the screen. Click to download the XML file. Choose EndNote 21. Then Preferences. In Reference Types, click Import. Choose the downloaded XML file and click Open. To complete the setup, click to download the ENS file. Open Finder. Copy the downloaded ENS file. Choose Application, EndNote 21. Choose Styles and paste the ENS file. For checking the install style, open the EndNote desktop. Go to Tools, choose Output Styles. Open Style Manager. Find and tick the RMIT Harvard EndNote. Then open the tools again. In the Output Styles, choose RMIT Harvard EndNote. Your EndNote installation is complete.